Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for availing us services and providing us the opportunity to serve you on web platform and adding value to your organization. And this gives us indeed immense pleasure by adding you in our clientele. We would like to request you to share your experience with us and provide with your valuable feedback. So, shall we just start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so how was your experience after availing services from IKF? Are we up to expectation? You think so?
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, in fact, I think I'm associated with IKF since year 2003 or 4. I'm not sure. But I'm very happy because since we are continuing for the 10 years plus, so definitely yes, we are very happy, satisfied.
Okay, great. And so what were your concerns prior to our services that you were facing maybe back in 2003, 2004? Do you remember that? What are the issues that you were facing at that time and that made you to move to IKF?
Yeah, actually the digital promotion, that was the beginning, in fact, I think so. 2000 I think we started working with IKF, 2000 or 2003. We were not sure how would be the response to the website, what we are creating, the feedback from the candidates, what we are getting, our clients, clients and candidates.
Absolutely.
It is really the quality of work you have done for us.
Okay.
It is working excellently. Like till date, we haven't faced any technical problems as such.
Wow.
It is user friendly, technically very strong. The front end is also very attractive, very nice, and everybody likes it, and we are also enjoying. Like we haven't faced any technical problem as such.
Great.
Since the website is created.
Fabulous. So one last question: that what are the things you think IKF has added into your business platform?
Yeah, I think the website is visible on earlier pages. Whenever most of the business, like whatever the business I am getting through Europe, that is through my website.
Great.
That means whenever they are accessing or they are searching the partners in India, my website is definitely accessible, and I have got many leads from the Europe, and I'm really very happy about that.
All right,
yeah.
Perfect. And if you have to rate our services on the scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate us?
9.
9? Fabulous. And last thing, that what are your expectations from IKF as your digital partners in future?
In future, yes, again the visibility of our work of our website should be there globally. And if anybody clicks for our services, we should be there, our presence should be there. And we would be more visible than everybody wants, I think. And that support definitely needed from IKF in future also.
Thanks a lot for your valuable time. We appreciate your feedback and looking forward for a fruitful business relationship. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.